have seen him play at Sands or Panda Plaza. He's been a DJ for the last 5 years. Now let's meet DJ Mack in this week's Up Next segment.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
One summer I was actually bored and all of my games them did mash up, you get me? So come was a gamer at the time and it was a thing where a lot of people used to try out the little virtual DJ thing at that time. Like all of my friends would have kind of tried. Cause anybody who would have a laptop at the time, them would have tried out the virtual DJ thing and those kind of stuff. So I did try it out as well. And I was actually, I wasn't the best. I wasn't good at all. But after that, like my friend them used to keep looking flexes and them thing there. So I'd go there with my laptop and see if I can try a thing, and I got some good reception, so I did just continue. Sun City DJ competition, I have to big up Sun City because them give me a real big push, especially as a college man. I used to go to Jamaica College. It enhanced my craft because it made me learn how to be more, what I should say, more interactive, you get me, because I was a shy youth. So it made me start talk more, like, and I even start talking for myself, like sometimes when I playing and those stuff, because the competition it kind of bring that out in you, bring that competitive drive out in you, and those stuff. So it really helped me to in that aspect of DJing, the whole MCing part of it and those stuff. So I can actually maneuver that part and do it for myself as well. I actually host events right now, so I'd see myself going in that direction. I host one of the biggest teen events right now. Or not really say teen events, but nowadays events right now. Saturday, it's hosted at Big Wall. December gone was our second stage, and we got over 2,000 people. So yeah, I definitely say that's the next profession that I'd be in if I wasn't a DJ. Right, as a DJ, I'd definitely say creativity. At all times, like special edits, different stuff. Meaning, if I go into an event, and I make sure prepare and do make special stuff before the event. So like I'll even be in the party and doing like live remixes and all those different stuff, because you really have to make the difference at the party, because I'm sure every other DJ is going there with the mindset to shell it and play the hottest tunes, but it's not necessarily always about that, because creativity really makes you stand out, and that's what my brand is about. Provide for yourself and somewhat, and in some cases even your family. Everyone, yeah, it allows you to be comfortable in life, you get me? I wouldn't say really downsides, but more like bad experiences, you get me, like on the road and those stuff, like when you're just coming up and promoter don't want to pay and all those stuff. Other than that, other DJs fighting you, like them don't want you play upon them sound, or them don't want to work with you, they don't want you to use them equipment and all those little stuff, like little petty stuff, like, because there's this big competitive nature out there where everybody want to be the man. So you really get a fight when you're coming up. Even now, people still try to fight you. Favorites would be like dancehall, soca, hip hop, and sometimes I even try bring all of them together with the same remix thing that I was telling you about. Yeah, so no special genre that I specialize in. All right, I'm currently signed to Young Kings Entertainment. I wasn't around for Hamptons and all those stuff still, but performed at Sands before, Backyard Barbecue, Panda Plaza, Zimis River, Mugs. Those are like the major teen events right now. I always try to be different, be on your A game all the time, you get me? Because, as I said before, creativity really stands out. Because when you go in a party and you do something different, you're going to really wow the crowd, and everybody's going to be like, yo, who is that? You get me? So you really have to just try and stand out. Be that X factor, you get me? Do anything different that you can. Don't stick to the norm. come out of the box, go out of the box, think outside of the box, you get me?
I'm ready. I'm ready, sweet. Are you? Girl, I must
You don't know, bruh. Here's the music video premiere by TJ and who? Ding Dong.
I'm rolling up. Pull up a nice street, jump out, I Jeep, grind me, go get a grand bag. Every gal I so sweet up top, I running straight, she want roll with bad man, gal I say we flare it. You know here we. Some boys say them bad like me, man, tell them nearly. Yo, you know see we just a bra and a flask of money, no. Gal I wine for the boss, take off them shots and a bubble, oh. Don't leave frost and a be a hard liquor. Three hot girl there when me gone with fire. No see me just a bra and a flask of money, no.
Them a watch the style, yeah, we killing it flare. Ding dong, they are ravers off the layer. Some a say me hyper for me money, me no care. Clean every day, now the new Ramesh we yeah, but mother that's what the body can't style. When me talks them mean, we not take this lightly. Lick up our table, them girlfriend a pre-way. Up top pass, we chain them costly.
You know see we just a bra and a flask of money, no. Girl a wine for the boss, take off them shots and a bubble, oh. Don't leave frost and a be a hard liquor. Three hot girl there when me gone with fire. No see me just a bra and a flask of money, no.
I just money man a pre enough if fun at every party.
Girl along her tongue with no behavior, say she naughty.
I whisper on me ears, I tell me say me make she honey.
Then she pop a molly, me take off her panty. Girl a wind up on the gangster, say yeah, me make her wet.
Leash she want to stay a yard to take care of the pet.
Say she love me back and say she have to bring her friend in.
Party has about to tell them in a ready.
Yes, we just a bra and a flask of money, no. Girl a wine for the boss, take off them shots and a...
After the break, we take a sprint to the movies. We'll be right back.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. No, we cannot win a sack. Take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge. Magnum.
What's up, guys? This is your Supergirl Danique, and I'm here to tell you how you can win big this new year with Lifespan Dash and Win promotion. From January 4th to April 26th, all you have to do is peel the label on your 500 ml Lifespan and enter the code on our website for your chance to win a brand new 2019 Suzuki Desire, a smart TV, and much more. See the press for details. Approved by the Betting, Gaming, and Lotteries Commission.
Change my number, can't stay home, cause you're that on my case like Sherlock Holmes.